Nothing beats seeing your flag flying high while camping. Every RVer needs a flagpole holder that's easy to use and built to last. Check out our aluminum RV flagpole holder. It's tough, weatherproof, and super easy to use with 2 thumb screws. You can tell it's solid aluminum just by the sound. The wraparound welding on both ends makes this holder super secure. Plus, the bottom has holes to keep rainwater from pooling inside the holder. These brackets grip your ladder securely with a textured surface that keeps the holder from sliding down. 8 aluminum screws keep it durable and built to last. No worries about the drill bit and Allen wrench. You've got them both included. Next up, we've got 2 thumb screws. By adjusting how tight you turn them, you can fit flagpoles from 1 to 1.75 inches in diameter. We've got these screws on top and bottom giving you 2 secure points to keep the flagpole steady. Here's what you get. Grab your drill and let's hit the ladder. Usually installing on the right side works best, but on our RV it could affect safe driving. So we're going with the left side. To make it easier, we'll start by loosely fastening the screws in this position. Then we'll flip it into place and tighten everything up. This holder fits ladder rails up to 1.5 inches in diameter. First, align the holes in the brackets with those on the holder. Insert the 4 screws while holding the holder steady at your desired height. Use the drill to screw them in one by one, but be mindful of the pressure. Just don't tighten them all the way yet. We need some slack for the final flip. Once you flip the holder into position, use the Allen wrench included to tighten everything up. Well, installing the bottom is just like the top. Start by aligning the bracket holes, then insert the 4 screws. Make sure everything lines up properly before tightening. Now grab the drill again and just like before, screw them in, but leave some wiggle room. You'll notice we're using the drill quite a bit, which is why we've included the right drill bits in the kit. And don't worry, we've also got an Allen wrench ready for the final tightening later on. Once you've done this, flip the flagpole holder around and use the included Allen wrench to tighten each screw one by one. You can see there's not much space between the ladder and the RV, making it tricky to use the drill. This is where the Allen wrench comes in handy. Just slide in your flagpole and tighten the thumb screws to fit it perfectly. But don't think it's just for flagpoles. Some creative RVers out there are using this holder for all sorts of things, like securing a TV antenna or even a cell booster antenna. That's pretty cool, right? This little holder really does it all. Once you've got this flagpole holder installed, it's built to last through all kinds of outdoor conditions, so you pretty much never have to take it down. And who knows, you might find even more ways to use it to make your RV life easier. It's a handy little addition that can do more than just hold a flag. Your flag's flying proud. Hit the link in the description to explore more uses.